climate change. At the moment, living in the present day, we're living in the Quaternary period, so that's from the last 2.6 million years. Over time, what scientists have looked at is they've looked at fossils, and they can see from looking at the fossils that temperatures have been hotter and colder at different points in time. That's why we've had things like ice ages when the Earth has been a lot colder, and then sometimes it has been warmer as well. What we can see from this graph here, if you look at the red line, which is the average temperature, in the 19th century, the temperatures were lower than the average than what they should have been, but over time, since industrialisation has happened and human impact has been felt more on the Earth, the average temperature is getting warmer, which shows us that global warming is happening. What else can we look at to say that climate change is happening? We can look at the glaciers, so from 1979 to 2012, we can see that they've melted at the North and South Pole. Because that's been happening, the sea levels have risen, which has affected countries and coastlines in different parts of the world. Because of this, because of the rising temperatures, we also now have seasonal changes as well. So summer is happening earlier than it should do, and that affects our environment. So the migration paths of birds, they travel earlier than they should do, and ends up in them having laying their eggs and having their young earlier than they should do as well, which has environmental impacts.